what I've got here are 4 center caps. They're just black plastic ones, and I bought them off of Amazon. So here's the front, here's a side view, and here's the back. It looks like they just clip on to the lug nuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a rubber mallet and a microfiber cloth to install these on my car. They are a 5 by 114.3 or a 5.5 by 4 bolt pattern if it's on an American car. It should fit either one, so let's go ahead and get these installed. So here are the wheels that they're going on. These are 16 by 6.5 steel wheels. They're manufactured by Toyota. They came on my 2015 Scion XB. I painted them silver. They have gotten a little chewed up over time. I just got new tires, so the tire machine took off a little bit of the paint, and you can see where the old wheel weight was because I didn't take it off, but that's okay because I didn't prep these as well as I should have, and that's always a fun project for the future. So this is the area that the covers are going to be sitting on. They're just going to clip onto these lug nuts and they're going to cover the center part, and they actually fit perfectly within that circle. So this is what my car looks like before. I did just clean the wheels, so that's why there's water, but this is just with the silver painted factory steel wheels without the wheel caps on. So I'm just going to be using a mallet and a microfiber cloth to install these. I'm just going to tap them on. And just like that, they're installed. They are on there nice and tight. They fit perfectly into that center circle right there. They might be a little tough to get off, but that's the problem for the guy who rotates my tires next time. So I'll do a quick little walk around for y'all to see them on the car. I think they look great. They were like $9 on Amazon, so if one flies off, no big deal.